Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and refreshing agua fresca de chia y limón. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so here I already have all my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. To a small saucepan, add 1 cup of water. Set it over medium-high heat. And to that we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. And we're just going to mix it until the sugar dissolves. Okay, once the sugar has dissolved, we have our simple syrup. Now we're just going to turn it off and allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, we can prepare our chia seeds. To our jar, we're going to add 6 cups of water. Into that, we're going to mix in our 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. We're just going to allow them to soak for about 20 minutes. Make sure that you stir them occasionally so like that they don't clump. Okay, so after 20 minutes, our chia seeds are ready. So now we can finish up our chia fresca. So to that, I'm going to be adding half a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. And we're going to add our simple syrup. Depending on how sweet you want your agua fresca, that depends on how much you're going to add. I like to add the whole thing. And just like that. Just mix it. Taste it and see if you want to add any more sugar, or if it's too strong for you, you can always dilute it with a little more water. But let me tell you that this is always perfect. And I don't like to add the ice to my jar just because like that I feel like it dilutes it. Here I have my cup with ice, and we can get ready to serve. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, so refreshing, so delicious, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious agua fresca de chia y limón. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.